On behalf of all Manitobans, I'd like to extend my warmest regards to all those celebrating and participating in ASA Day 2022 in our province and throughout the world. Since its launch in Winnipeg in 2018, ASA Day has become a wonderful opportunity to experience, appreciate, and promote the Yoruba culture and heritage, as well as the remarkable contribution that members of Manitoba's Yoruba community make to our province. The staging of an event as important as ASA Day requires the commitment of a group of dedicated volunteers. Volunteers are truly the backbone of our community, and I want to thank all of those who have dedicated so much time to making this event a reality. On behalf of the Government of Manitoba, I'd like to thank all the organizers and volunteers for making ASA Day 2022 another successful celebration of Manitoba's Yoruba community.